good?
Yeah.
42 amps.
Flying it out.
Is it flying fine?
Yeah.
Is it fine?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, we're gonna climb then. What's my altitude right now?
6 meters and climbing. 7.
What's my current draw right now?
38 amps. I can't hear you, by the way.
Okay, what's my current draw?
13 meters. 40 amps.
Keep on climbing if you can.
18
Climbing.
meters. 21. 25. 30.
You're good right now.
32. 33. We're good here.
All right.
We're at 36 meters.
Okay,
Okay.
we're good up for payload?
Yeah.
All right, deploy payload now.
Deploying payload now.
Beautiful. You're gonna bring it back now.
Hold on. Let it drop.
Okay. Letting payload fully drop.
Kind of far off
I
target.
know. We gotta get the timing down. We wanted to see how that felt right now.
All right. Landing.
Landing.
That's 30 meters. 35 amps. 25 meters. 20 meters.
That's just downwash, right?
Yeah.
Let's call out when we're good.
Copy. 4 meters. 3 meters.
Forward.
Hold on.
Forward or
Alyssa,
backward?
hold it down. Okay, are we over?
Yeah, good.
Drone is disarmed and safe. We are good.
Nice.